10 Best Beer Growlers in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Having a beer growler is one of the joys of a beer fan because it allows you to carry draft beer without ruining its quality. Let's take a look at the best beer growlers in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. Growler with metal handle is the best choice for home. If you are looking for a growler for traveling, Stanley Classic Easy Pour Vacuum Insulated Growler is the right one. Kegco FD64B Beer Growler is the most elegant growler. Let's check our top 10 options. At number 10, we have Nutrichef Countertop Growler. This growler is awesome for parties because there's sufficient carbonation in every pour to make your guests satisfied. Growler with metal handle is at number 9. If you prefer glass growlers but find it difficult to lift them, this is the perfect one for you. At number 8, Malt Mountain Growler. Whether you put cold or hot drinks in this vessel, for sure you will be left satisfied every time. At number 7, we have Drink Tanks Growler. A quick and hassle-free way to enjoy your favorite beer is through this well-built beer growler. Hydro Flask Growler is at number 6. Wherever your adventure may be, Hydro Flask guarantees that your beer stays the same. We have GrowlerWorks Growler and Dispenser at number 5. You can enjoy freshly carbonated beer from this budget-friendly growler. At number 4, Sally's Organics Growlers. If you plan on storing beer or other foods and beverages at home, then this growler is an awesome choice. Bottle Bud Growler gets the 3rd position. This growler is a cool-looking growler that can be easily carried anywhere. At number 2, we have Stanley Growler. This growler is for you if you like beer and traveling without a hassle. GrowlerWorks Carbonated Growler gets the top position. This growler is a worthy investment for them who want to drink beer that tastes like they're fresh from the draft. You can buy any of these beer growlers by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.